Hello, my name is Mark. I'm the Deer Lake diver. After yesterday's deep water windfall video, I became very interested in getting a much better look at the organisms that are living down in that mud, down 60, 70 feet deep in our lake. To do that, I need a sampler. I need a way to grab some mud and bring it to the surface. To do that, I just fabricated what I'm calling a spring trap. It's pretty straightforward. It has a trigger mechanism, you can see here. It has a hatch that latches on that spring mechanism. See how that works? And a sharp edge. So what we'll do, it's got a weight and a cord. What I'm going to do is drop this down into the mud very quickly, down in the mud. When I feel it reach the bottom of the mud, and I no longer feel the weight, I'm going to drop my signaling weight onto it, and it will seal and close up. We'll bring that to the surface. I'll put it in a sterilized sample container. When we bring it home, I'll run some tests on it. This is a freshwater master test kit. It can test pH, ammonia, nitrate, nitrites, salts. Great little test kit. People who keep aquariums use that kind of material. So I would take some general tests to find out what the condition of that mud is with water in it. And we'll look at it with my microscope. And at the end of that little bit of looking and testing, I'm going to go ahead and put the sample down in my basement where it's dark and reasonably cool. Now, it won't be as cold as it is at the bottom of the lake, but it'll be cool enough and it'll be dark, so it should mimic a little bit what the bottom of the lake is like. And we're going to culture this. I'm going to let it go for a couple of weeks, and we're going to see what grows out of that mud. If we've got any eggs or if we've got any small larvae, we're going to see what grows in that mud, because I want a closer look at what's down in there. And this is science. So anyway, I've got 100 feet of cord. I've got my trap, my sample mechanism, and we're going to go and gather some samples out there, center of the lake. So come on with me. We'll see you in a bit.